Meaning of district council.
District council.
District council.
District council.
District council. A district council is a type of local government body in some countries, including the United Kingdom and Hong Kong. It is responsible for certain public services and facilities within a district, such as parks, community centers, and waste management. The council is typically composed of elected representatives from the area it governs, who meet regularly to make decisions about local matters. The goal of a district council is to represent the interests of its residents and improve their quality of life through effective governance and public service delivery.